Hi friends, my name is Anmol. Today we are at the Open Heights, the University of Technology. So this is a place where big student comes, the end of the year graduations, and they show their project of the year for showing that how much they have learned from the university. Now let's go inside and explore. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ermgul. I want to take a short interview from you. Can I take it, please?
Walaikum Assalam. Yes, you may. You have permission.
Okay. So what is your project? About?
My project is about ground vehicle tracking detection through computer vision based drone, and it has also a dual mode that we are going to commercially use on agriculture crops.
Okay. So your project solves which problem?
My project is dual mode project, and it solves two problems: defense problems like navigation purposes, security purposes, and the second problem we are going to solve through this drone is commercially using it for agriculture purposes like detecting and tracking, detecting the crops diseases and monitoring them, and then doing insect sprays over them.
How did you get an idea?
Actually, we have to, for getting idea, we have to read and study the whole country market and the problems for different kind of people. So by that you can get ideas.
Did your team face any big difficulties while making this project?
Yes, the big problem we face, and it is a very general problem, that during integration, a single error can cause the whole drawing to fly. Means if you work on it for 6 months, then it's finished.
Okay. So thank you for your short interview.
Thank you so much.
My name is Ermgul. I want to take a short interview from you. Can I take it, please?
Thank you. Gigi,
Okay. So what is your project about?
my project is AI driven based robotic arm for sorting and placement.
Okay. So did your team get any difficulties while making this project?
Yes, it's a lot of difficulties, like we have some issues with the servo motors, okay, and lots of difficulties, joint lengths, ADC, etc.
What does your project solve? Which problem does your project solve?
Basically, our project is initial level based. ठीक है, we are using different यानी कि color cubes वगैरह they like this. ठीक है, okay. We यानी कि we detect through OGI camera, and through OGI camera it's pick and place different यानी कि आपके color cubes. ठीक है. If we are going to the industry applications level, for example, it can be used for industry automations, food industry, ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद आप waste management, like it's a lot of applications here.
Thank you for your short interview. Assalamualaikum. My name is Andras. I want to take a short interview from you. Can I take it?
Yes, of course.
So, what is your project about?
I am Umar Farooq. I am here to present my project, which is advancing BIM implementation in Pakistan through automation and digital transformation.
So, what your project solves which problem?
Actually, I am gathering all the people related to construction. I am solving problems regarding the construction, just like clash detection. We actually identify the clashes before the construction. Actually, in the software base, we perform clash detection report, and then we develop the design for the architecture. We visualize whole project for the stakeholder, like architecture, structure, or and the owner as well. You can work with me. You can come and visit to my office as well. I have a new startup business, and just like you people, you can collaborate with me, and I can give you a comprehensive guide so you can develop your future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Armugul. I want to take a short interview from you. Can I take it?
Yes, you can.
So, what is your project about?
Our project is a dual language based voice control wheelchair.
This project solves which problem?
एक्चुअली ये हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जो है ये वॉइस कमांड पे चलता है, तो जो पेशेंट्स पैरालाइज्ड है, जो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीलचेयर यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, वो अपनी वॉइस से जो है व्हीलचेयर को मूव कर सकते हैं. इसमें हमारे पास इंग्लिश और उर्दू दोनों कमांड्स हैं.
what advice you would give to kids if they want like science or technology? Will they able to make it?
यस, आप छोटे से प्रोजेक्ट से स्टार्ट करते हो तो आप एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो। ये तो हमारा FIP प्रोजेक्ट है, लेकिन आप जैसे अपने आप को प्रैक्टिस करते हो, छोटे छोटे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाते हो, तभी आपके माइंड में इतना आइडिया आता है और आप एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हो।
Thank you. So what is your project about?
My project is about the recycled. We have made the permeable pavers with the help of recycled aggregates for the pedestrian walkways.
Okay. What your project solves which problem?
My project solves the drainage problems and the domestic waste problems.
Okay. So if I was working, what would you say me to do first?
I didn't hear.
Okay. So if kids who like science and in rock who like them, what would you say that can they make it at school or home?
Yes, cool.
Thank you for your shot. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Armgul. So what is your project about?
बेसिकली उर्दू में करो। अच्छा, बेसिकली हमारा प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो iMate है। वो ब्लाइंड पर्सन्स को असिस्ट करने के लिए हमने एक डिवाइस बनाई है। उसमें हम एक ऐप यूज़ करते हैं। जो भी लोग ब्लाइंड्स होते हैं, जो देख नहीं सकते, उनका ये सिस्टम होता है कि वो कहीं भी जाएंगे, उन्हें कोई टेक्स्ट रीड करना होता है, उनके सामने कोई ऑब्जेक्ट वगैरह आ जाता है, उनको नहीं पता चलता कि वो कैसे जाएं, वो गिर वगैरह आ सकते हैं। इसके लिए हमने एक ऐप बनाई है। वो ऐप के थ्रू एक ऑप्शन प्रेस करते हैं जिसमें टेक्स्ट रीडिंग का ऑप्शन होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट पर आप उसमें क्या करते हैं कि कोई भी सामने टेक्स्ट आता है ना, वो उसको रीड करते हैं। कोई ऑब्जेक्ट आता है, उसको बताता है यहाँ से लेफ्ट मूव करो, राइट मूव करो, तो उसके थ्रू लेफ्ट राइट मूव करके उससे ये फायदा होता है कि वो गिरते नहीं।
Okay, so this project solves which problem?
Basically, it solves different kinds of problem. First of all, text reading, then obstacle detection के कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट आ जाता है। The third one is path planning, आपको रास्ता बताता है, and fourth one is navigation. आपने अगर एक रूम से दूसरे रूम में जाना है तो एक ब्लाइंड पर्सन को नहीं पता कि वो यूनिवर्सिटी में एक फ्लोर से दूसरे फ्लोर पर कैसे मूव करेगा, लेकिन हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के थ्रू वो एक फ्लोर से दूसरे फ्लोर पर मूव कर सकते हैं।
What would you say to kids like me that will they able to make this type of projects?
Okay, I prefer कि you can go with this type of projects क्योंकि ये हेल्प करते हैं उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। देखिए, आप जैसे जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, वो भी ब्लाइंड होते हैं, उनको भी मूव करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो वो भी इस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स को यूज़ करके अपने स्कूल में, अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में, किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इजीली मूव कर सकते हैं।
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What is your project about?
Our project is about bendable concrete using locally available fibers, and we have made a concrete in which we use locally available fibers which have the potential to give us the more enhanced strength in concrete. And secondly, we are doing this for PCC comparison concrete in which we have done this fibers, use fiber and try to make a concrete more strengthful.
Okay, so did your team face any big challenges while doing this?
Not so much. We have taken a lot of help from literature review, and then we will find the locally available potential material, and we treat them, and we use them, and we have good results.
This project solves which problem?
This project give us a concrete better solution for concrete, and we use this. We will be able to use this concrete in seismic zones and bridges decks. That's why we have worked on it.
Thank you. So, what is your project about?
My project is about we are implementing AI accelerator on FPGA for object detection and recognition.
Okay, what does your project solves which problem?
We are basically solving the delays in the software-based applications which are detecting less objects in more time. So we are dealing with that problem.
Okay, so your team faced any big difficulties while making this project?
No, we are good friends with 4 hours, so no such a big issue we face during last year.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
First see the outside, then inside.
एक नहीं आएगा, 4 ही बंदे आ सकते हैं।